Hello, my name is Al Durham, and welcome to the 28 Days of Copilot Prompts video series. In this video, we'll be using Microsoft Copilot and Microsoft Loop to create a collaborative workspace for a new digital services rollout. I will be playing the role of a program manager that has fallen behind on my work, and I need to get this workspace stood up very quickly since I received a few Teams messages and emails from my leadership asking for a summary and status of the workspace for the project this morning. Normally, it would take me multiple hours to get a new collaborative workspace set up, but I'm not able to dedicate that kind of time at the moment. Before we begin, a quick background on the services that we will be using. Microsoft Copilot is your AI assistant at work. It seamlessly is embedded in the Microsoft 365 apps that you already use. It's designed to help you write, summarize, analyze, and create with ease by harnessing the power of large language models and your organization's data, all within a secure, compliant, and privacy-first environment. Microsoft Loop is a modern collaborative platform that brings together content, people, and tasks across Microsoft 365 into a flexible, dynamic workspace that's designed to support co-creation in the flow of work. Loop helps teams stay aligned and move work forward, whether you're planning a project, running a meeting, or brainstorming ideas. As I mentioned earlier, I need to create a new collaborative workspace very quickly for a new digital services rollout. To the right of the screen, you can see the prompt that I created. In the prompt, you will notice that I noted some details about the project that need to be a part of the workspace. Items such as the start date, goal end date, and the other services that will be used as part of this project. Now that we have the prompt created, let's move over to Copilot and Loop. So here we are in Microsoft Loop on the screen. We have a brand new blank page pulled up. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in the prompt that I created earlier. So the prompt is in there, ready to go with Copilot, which is built in here to Loop. I will go ahead and fire the prompt away there. So the prompt will go ahead and run. Microsoft Copilot will start pulling things together and creating my workspace for me. So as you see here, it created the brand new collaborative workspace for digital services that I asked for. It used the dates for the project timeline. It basically noted some of the project management software we're going to use, the communication platform, some of the other tools. It actually set up a nice project structure for me, and it used a task list where I can assign team members to here also if I want, once I share this out, and also made some other recommendations on task and using the other tools throughout this collaborative workspace. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I got some emails and Teams messages asking for a summary of, the workspace. Was it stood up and what is the status of it? So instead of having to now create a brand new Word document or brand new email that I have to send out to my executive leadership, I can use Copilot for that. So I can click on Copilot here in my new workspace. And I can go ahead and ask it to go ahead and provide a summary for my leadership. So let me paste that prompt in here. They already pre-created. The Copilot will go ahead and look at the workspace that was just created, and it'll go ahead and create some content for me that I can share out either via Teams, via email, whatever I want to with my executive leadership. So now instead of having to write this from scratch, spend a lot more time creating this, I can simply have Copilot run it. I can go ahead and copy this off now and use this and send it out to whoever needs it from my executive leadership team. So thank you, and I hope this was helpful. Now it's your turn. Do you have a favorite prompt or a twist that worked even better? Drop it in the comments, and let's learn from each other.